started blowing yesterday evening. Two of my plastic chairs started sliding across the patio. I grabbed one, and I was running after the other, and it went down the hill. And so I went and got it. It wasn't anything like this. And then that's Gary's house. There's this part of his roof right there. There was supposed to be an earthquake last night, too. Keep all this stuff. Well, I'd say we got 50-mile-an-hour winds in this slot. Gary's house. Oh shit, man. Roof is off. And her shingles are off. I can put on YouTube. So sorry. To make it a lot easier for me. Whoa. Whoa. Man. Okay. That's it for now. The backhoe driver was like smiling at me and saying how windy it was, and I pointed to him that electrical wire was dangling and and he looked at it and he goes, "Whoa!" and he starts up the backhoe. I'm inside now. There's Gary's. The car is shaking. Can you see that? Uh-oh, wait, he's pointing at something. Jeez. It's funny, I was driving, not funny for Gary, but I was driving by his house, and then I saw the roof was on the ground below, and I had to dodge it. That's what the backhoe driver was saying. Be re-secured. That's weird. I mean, it's weird that it wasn't